Hello, I am Prasad Menon. I'm the team of climate enthusiasts currently competing in CDP event. Now I am here to present you what we did for the competition. And first, what we started with is segregation of data, analysis of data, and cleaning of data. The first thing was to know what the data contains. So, first, what we did is to know what the data has. We segregated the data according to year, then looked into the metadata file, which was the first slide of the data set which was given to us, which had the comparative questions which of all the years of cities as well as corporates, which helped us in knowing that the data has some connection with the following coming years. Also, next what we did was set up a data science method of segregation and cleaning of the data, in which we use Python for our data analysis tool. Then we first isolatedly analyzed the city data and the corporate data. Corporate data was analyzed on the basis of the companies which are commonly or more frequently responding to the survey which was conducted by the company, such as 2015, 16 and 17, 18 and 19. So only we have took those companies who have reported for all these 5 years, because we are using benchmarking for our further analysis and KPI discussions. The reason for that behind for that is that we need a companies who are enthusiasts, who are eager for climate change and are willing to work towards climate change. And when it comes to city data, we took the responses of the people which are specifically towards the problem which they are facing, such as questions such as what are the problems which you think you may face when it comes to climate change, or what are the scarcities you face, or what are the problems you face, what you list the problems which you faces, what are the problems which you see the administration is not looking forward to. So all these questions which were asked and which were responded by the people were analyzed using word cloud technique. And by this word cloud technique, we created a trend. We actually saw a trend from 2017, 18 and 19. We got the data such as water scarcity, climate change, energy efficiency, energy need, then need for more projects. These are some of the words which came out big and bold, which means that people are looking forward to it or are facing problems because of such things. So what we did next was segregating after we segregated the data of the corporates. What we did is we combined all the data based on the questions which were asked in 2019. So we rearranged the questions of 2018, 17, 16 and 15 such that it get aligned with all the questions in 2019. And this data set was used for sentiment analysis for individual words, which came out to be large and bold in the word cloud, and hence helped us towards modeling or suggesting the KPIs.